Fantom token airdrop for cross-chain veHND holders. What? Wow, I'm gonna get Fantom airdrop. This is what we're doing today. I'm so excited. Why? Because I'm already bullish on this one. So let's read and see what we got. And by the way, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. If you like airdrops, crypto, all that good stuff, subscribe and support on Patreon. 100 Finance, if you know, I posted about it at like $1. I don't know why you're not subscribed, but if you're not, this is the time. 100 Finance Fantom Airdrop Program for cross-chain veHND holders. 100 Finance Fantom token, let's read. Since the beginning of the year, let me show you 100 Finance, by the way. This is the coin, $5. We talked about it at $1. Why? Before we get into the airdrop. Why? Because you see this total value locked now 226 million. It was 50 million when this market cap was about, I don't know, 5 million. And then I said, hey, maybe there's a gem in here because it was 5 million market cap, 50 million total value locked. And they have like 100 chain to deploy. They just deployed themselves on Moon River. They deployed on Fantom, Harmony. I got in at Arbitrum. Anyway, let's keep going. Since the beginning of the year, 100 Finance has seen a dramatic rise in one of the most important metrics, DeFi. I'm gonna read like summary. Total value locked. Using DeFi Llama, you can see that we have contracts on Ethereum, Arbitrum, Fantom, Harmony 1, and Moon River, just 5 out of the 100 chains that they want to build basically, and increase more than 300%, now sitting at around 210, now it's 225. This continued to grow, as we're making more applications, more good stuff. Yet we are also notable distinguishing side effect, one that was incredibly pleased. Basically the veHND. I've done a video, top 22 coins for 2022. You gotta pay attention to the VE games. Instead of buy a coin, dump, farm, dump, farm, dump, there's starting to be like a VE coin. So you buy, you stake, you get rewards in VE coins. So you like your coin, you get incentivized not to dump, just like Curve, just like Convex Finance. I just talked about all of this. Subscribe. Let's keep going. So basically HND, you do the same. You buy HND, you stake it, you lock it for whatever amount that you want, anywhere between a week to 4 years. The longer you lock, you get veHND, and in return you can basically put like stable coins and jump from like 20% to like 40-50% annually on stables. That's basically in a nutshell what HND is. But if they're gonna start airdropping to veHND hodlers or give rewards just like Convex and Curve, woo, I'm super excited. Let's keep going. So basically it says we are incredibly pleased to share with our community the soon to be veHND holders. We got a substantial grant, okay? We got a substantial grant of FTM tokens. Fantom. Everybody loved Fantom, including myself, and the freedom to use them in a manner that help expand the Fantom ecosystem while our project goes multi-chain to announce our first FTM token airdrop to veHND holders. Before we go into the details, we would like to briefly explain about the funds, where it came from. You can read about the Fantom Foundation, okay, incentive program. That's pretty cool. Read about it, article in the description. As of now, 100 Finance sits in the second of 4 tiers. Total value locked of 54 million on Fantom, okay, and this qualifies us to get 900,000 Fantom vested monthly for 12 months. And we're gonna basically okay, so they got the Fantom Foundation airdrop, and they're dropping that to veHND hodlers. 100 Finance FTM airdrop program sees 37,500 Fantom to veHND holders in 2 separate batches. The first batch was already done. We are now in the second batch for another 2 weeks. Read all about it. Airdrop FTM tokens will be claimable qualify account proportional to the total amount of veHND. I'm not gonna show you how all this tutorial done. Basically, if you are going to do this, you need to know that you gotta do your own research. Don't just lock for 4 years to get an airdrop in 2 weeks from now. Don't do that. Myself, I got into Arbitrum. I moved some Ethereum into Arbitrum. Then I went here to Dodo Arbitrum and I swapped my Ethereum to HND. That's how I built my bag. That is it. Now you can do it on Balancer. You can do it on Beethoven. Also great project from Fantom. Spooky Swap on Fantom. Beethoven. It's starting to get a lot more liquidity than it was like 2 months ago when I first got in and told you guys about it at around $1, basically. Okay. And then once you have whatever amount that you do, if you want to do so, not a financial advice, you just on the website, you click on the vote mechanism and then lock it for whatever amount that you want, and then you get in return veHND, basically. As we are ability to distribute these Fantom tokens to the generous investor Fantom Foundation, made the decision to require qualifying wallets from all chains to submit the claim on the Fantom. So we have to go on Fantom to get the airdrop. This is cool. We hope this will encourage users who have not yet the opportunity to experience Fantom on MetaMask, basically. And I hope I will get it. I assume I will, because once I will get it, I will actually get some Fantom on Fantom and I can start playing around on Fantom MetaMask, because it's been a pain just to get there. With it, I haven't found the faucet. Let me know if you found the faucet just to get in. Opportunity to receive native token for not only the cost of time and necessarily. Basically, we're gonna get something like this. You see, this is the website, like a snapshot. Is gonna be your wallet. You're gonna connect. I have Arbitrum, but you can switch to Fantom HND, and it will say, hey, you're eligible to like 100 Fantom. Depends on the amount that you have veHND in the time of the airdrop. To perform the claim, if you already have veHND, you can go to 100 Finance right now, change to Fantom, and you will have the button. If you are not in that category, basically you need a minimum of 0.1 Fantom in veHND airdrop. Okay, future airdrop. This is what we're doing for the next 2 weeks. While we see merit in retroactive airdrops that reward early participants, we also believe that they can present excellent opportunity to help the number of future participants grow. For that reason, in 2 weeks' time, we will be conducting a second airdrop that capture users who have created HND to veHND locks in the time between the snapshots. These accounts will become eligible to receive a share of another 18,750 Fantom and any additional airdrop that take place, assuming they have veHND during base. So basically, it says if you have for the next 2 weeks, you're gonna lock your HND for veHND, and don't do anything until the snapshot is done. You're gonna be eligible for Fantom coins airdrop, which is amazing, because I'm bullish on Fantom. Fantom can go 10-20 bucks, free money, why not? We will announce the initiation of second airdrop in a blog post following 2 weeks time. This was posted I think 2 days ago. In addition, this current announcement and the one to follow will serve the start of 3 months countdown, so you'll have 3 months, and after that the money goes to the treasury, so you have 3 months to claim. Conclusion: we on the 100 Finance team hope that our users find 100 Finance FTM Airdrop program rewarding addition to the current and future benefits of veHND. Inspired by the rapid rise, we now have more than ever major ambitions to see further growth in the project and in time become a major player in the crypto ecosystem. That is what I was betting on day one when I got in. In time, become a major player in the crypto ecosystem. I would like to thank you, community, ongoing support. Welcome future participant. This is the first airdrop snapshot for Arbitrum Fantom on Harmony. And basically we got 2 weeks to do the rest. And as I said before, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. I'll see you next time.